Okay, guys, welcome once again. We will just from morning we have finished bar chart, line chart, like how to be in a trend, channels, and Fibonacci, and fractal nature, RSI. So now we will see. Okay, now we will see. We are going to see a two basic concept of Elliott, that is ending diagonal and a leading diagonal. Okay. Now see what is the ending diagonal and what is the leading diagonal. Okay. As of now, you just see how these pattern look like, and further we will go on while telling the Elliott wave concept. You will come to know like how exactly these concept will use, and how to apply in the like day-to-day trading life, or at least like in your analysis. Okay, now what is the ending diagonal? You might be heard about the wedge pattern. They are like triangles only. Like, what is the ending diagonal and what is the leading diagonal? Before going to the ending diagonal and a leading diagonal, you need to understand what is a diagonal is. Okay, and what is the triangle and what is the diagonal. Okay, let's say this is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. What is the diagonal is, let's say this is in 3D view. Just I'm trying to connect these points. So this is a triangle actually. If, for example, if it is in a 3D, let's say this is a 3 dimension, any cut, what it means, any cut, let's say here is a one cut. Let's say this whole part means this is a one diagonal, this from the, let's say this whole green colored is a one diagonal, and this is a one more diagonal. Let's say you cut it only after this, you divided by this. So let's say this is a one diagonal. Let's say you cut it this to half, or at least let's say this is a diagonal. So this is one more diagonal. So any piece of the triangle in a 3D view, it is called a diagonal. So I will show you in Google also, like it will be easy for you to understand what is the diagonal of a triangle. See, any piece, I'm saying that any piece of this means this one piece, this piece, this piece, or this piece, or this piece, or this piece, this piece, any piece which is, let's say this is a diagonal, this is a diagonal, and this is a diagonal, this piece is a diagonal, everything is a diagonal, every piece is a diagonal. Actually, I maybe diagram is a circle, you need to be in the outside, sorry, inside, right? Yeah, circle is to be inside the triangle. So this is a diagonal of the triangle. Let's say I'm going to remove this. So any piece you take, that is that will be turned as a like diagonal. Any piece of this. Imagine this structure is in 3D. Okay, it's in, let's say it's in a third dimension, 3-dimensional. So wherever there is a piece of this will be considered as a diagonal. I hope it's clear. Let's take one more. Yes, I'll remove this color so that it might be a 2D or like 2D structure. I'm trying to do. I trying to do. This might be a like a 3D. Let's say it's a 3D dimension. Any cut in that. Any cut means any piece of this like this. It will be one diagonal. This will be one diagonal. This is a diagonal. This will be a diagonal. Or any piece, it will turn as a diagonal. Let's say this piece. This is a diagonal. This is a diagonal. And this is a diagonal. This is a diagonal. Means any piece in this will be a diagonal of the triangle. Got it? So it become a diamond. So any piece of this will be become a diagonal. Okay. So triangle, this is a triangle, and diagonal is, the diagonal is a part of the triangle. Okay. Just understand this. And after that, there is a two concept, that is of one is a ending diagonal and another is a leading diagonal. We'll just go for what is a diagonal structure and how it looks like. Okay. So there is a, so this is a one diagonal or wedge in technical analysis we say. Let's say this is a one diagonal. Say this is a another diagonal. So the price will move like this after the 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say it will become 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 2 times down, and 1, 2, 3, and 2 times down. After that, it will fall. So the structure will look like a diagonal only, or ending diagonal. It will call a diagonal. Let's say take as an ending diagonal. And it is a contracting type of diagonal. Okay. And it's a expanding type of a diagonal. Let's say same here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, make like this. 1, 2, 3, make like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this is a one. It is called as the contracting type of diagonal. Okay, it's a contracting type of diagonal. Okay, it's a expanding type of diagonal. Okay. So this is a contracting type of a diagonal, and this is a expanding type of a diagonal. It may come in downside also. Let's say so after 1, 2, 3, 4, it will come like 5. So this is 1, or else here also you can get expanded one. So this is what the diagonal or a diagonal look like, or it is similar to that of the structure called wedge. Okay. So this is for downside, and it is looking like in the upside direction. It is a contracting type of diagonal, and it is a expanding type of a diagonal. Here also it's a contracting type of diagonal, and it is a expanding type of diagonal. Okay. Now what is the importance of these diagonals? Okay. Let me tell you. For example, let's say this is a 1 and 2, this is a third, and this is a fourth, and fifth wave it is moving like 1, 2, 3, and making the structure like that of a ending diagonal. Let's say it's a diagonal. Let's say diagonal. Okay. So totally it is the starting of wave 5. Let's say this is a 5, and starting of the wave 5, right? So for example, this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, and this is a 5. What will happen once it breaks the low? Okay. Once it breaks the low, the time it took, for example, let's say from this to this high, it took 10 days to form. Let's take it 10 days to form, and it will fall up to the level of fourth low. Means this is here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Minimum it will fall to the level of 4, and max it can fall up to the level of 0. Okay, that is the beginning of the fifth wave. So this is fall up to the 4 of this internal, or else at least to the fourth of third wave. So it will fall whatever the time it took. The fall will take only 1/4 time or half time, or max at least 9 days, not 10 days. If it is taking more time, then it may fail. You need to exit the position. Otherwise, the target will come within 1/4 day, or else a half of the days which it took to form the ending diagonal or a diagonal. It is an ending diagonal, so it will take 10 days to form. So the fall will be in 1/4, that is a 2.5 day, or else max of 5 days. This is how the target will come for an ending diagonal. Okay, same for the expanding also. For expanding also, it is already expanded one. For example, let's say it is an ending diagonal. The target will come up to this within a short period of time, very fast. Let's say if it is an expanded type of a diagonal, this is like extended type of a diagonal, so it may come up to this level. Okay, and here it may come to this bottom. That is after this breakout. Okay, this is an expanding variety of diagonal. It is a contracting type of diagonal. In that, what is the important of diagonal is they take very short time to cover the whatever it took to form the ending diagonal. Okay, do you want to see the example? like whether it's work definitely or not.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. See the example in ACC, we had an ending diagonal maybe 5 to 6 months back, it seems. I will show you exactly where it is and how it worked. So I'll just uh, reply button, I'll just press it. Let's take this as like this. Okay. So for the numbering, I will tell you further, but just for your purpose, I'm taking it as a 1. Let's take this as a 2, and this as a 3rd, and this as a 4th, and this complete as 5. Okay. In that also, it was making like it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and this is 5. Minute structure is the red, and remove the waves. Okay. If you see this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And here, if you see only the end part, I'm just taking it to away. You see only this end part. How it's structure? It is like a diagonal, right? Okay. It is like a diagonal, a ending diagonal. So what is the time frame it took? Let's measure it. It is the tool, you can measure it. Date range or price range. Date range I'm measuring. So it took to form from here to the top. So this is the top for 51 days it took. Okay. What is our target, guys? 51 days means maximum it needs to come in 1/4 time or half time. This is 25 bars I'm counting. Okay. That is in 35 days and 25 bars. My target will be, let's say this is the horizontal line. At least this level, it should achieve its target to the downside. Okay. See the price level here. It is 1844 it's trading. Now see what happens. Let's take these two lines and connecting these two lines. So it is like ending diagonal now. So shall I play? Go for it. Sorry, just wait for a second. Yeah. Mm. Let's take the minimum target is here is the fourth one. That is this one is a minimum target, and it may come to the level of second, and thirdly it will come to the level of fourth of third wave, right? So now see how they work. So that is the high point after completing the 5 waves. See, one candle, two candle, three candle. In third day, fourth candle, max. Like for the target, I told you just avoid the a little bit of consolidation phase. You can take the target of, let's say here, if you're taking, or else let's say a small consolidation that is of this. Here you are exiting at 1590. You are selling from the top. You can sell from here after the once it breaks this candle, or at least to after breaking this channel, you can initiate the sell setup at this price. That is from 1777, and you are exiting at 1600 within a 3 days, guys. Within 3.5 or 4 days, max 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a fifth day. You are booking almost from 1770. Your 1600 means 177 point. Isn't it amazing? 177 points in ACC. What is the lot side of ACC? Let's take a span calculator. What is the lot size? 400, right? 400 is the lot size. Sorry. Okay, 400 is the lot size and 177 is a 100 points or more than 170 point is your target. That is a 177 means 77 from 100, 177 points within 5 days. So it may turn your capital to 100% or 150%, guys. So this
So
is how
sorry, I might have missed. How will we determine the target that it is 170 points?
from this low, this is a 1777. Okay.
Yeah.
The target is whenever there is a consolidation, you need to avoid that small consolidation phase. Let's say this is a consolidation phase. So I am avoiding this small portion. Okay.
Okay.
So sometimes it will reverse from there. The low is, see, the low is here 1580. 1580 is a low. The
Okay.
1570 is our target actually. 1570, 1580 is a low. Okay, it will come, but further it moved further. You see how it moved next. So it went up to the level support level, to that, at least to that this level. Let's take this draw further. Again, that line has acted as a resistance. See how it come. So the target will come in that I'm trying to say is the target, the first target, it will come in 1/4 time. We will count the time again. So let's finish it off. See, it come to fourth low. Up to fourth low it came, but your initial first target is this low. That is in 1/4 time. It took 51 bars to make it this ending diagonal, and it lasted only for let's say the count from days from this to this level, only for in 10 bars. That is 1/4 time, right? In 51 bars, it took a time from this level to reach that level. That is a 13th 9, and after that it fell in 10 days to complete whatever the raise is. It completed in that 10 days. Means it took only less than 1/4 day, like less than 1/4 day, which it took to form fifth wave completely. It took only 1/4 days to complete the target. Means that complete wash off of this uptrend, right? This is how the target will come in ending diagonal or in leading in ending diagonals. So there is a one more one more script, that is Ashok Leyland. I might have shared the chart across you people, that the trading, it was trading at 165 level. It was trading at 165 level, if I am not wrong. So it was trading around 165 level. We have given a sell from 160, 164 or 163 level. If you guys remember, and my target was that 133 or 135. So why I was very much sure about this was, this is the ending diagonal again. Like after the breakout, count the waves. Sorry. From here, let's say here it's a fifth wave. How many days? 204 bars, right? In 46 days. And from here to here, how many bars? 63, right? In 63 bars, it came down. Bars. Means from here, 138 to 165 and 165 to directly to the level of 132. And sometimes it will completely vanish the whole wave also. Like means up to the level of low, whatever the low is there, it may come up to that. Means total wave can retrace, but minimum target is this. The first minimum target is this, a second is this, and third one is this. And see, it took 204 bars, that is in 46 days, and the target came in 13 days. It's less than half. Or one fourth, how much it will become? 46 and 1/4. 46 1/4 is maybe a 10 or 12 days. 11 and a half, 12 days.
12 days.
Right? 12 days. See the target. Very sharp, right? And it won't give any time to buyers. If they are buying it, oh, they are holding, oh, let's see, only 5% correction. Let's see, it will recover, it will recover, it will recover. It will vanish the whole capital, boss. From 164 level to 140 level. If you are in future lot, what is your loss if you are in buying side? And if you are not exiting on the basis of ending diagonal. So this is the Ashoka Leyland. And 4,000 is the lot size. And how many points you would have covered? At least, like, if you know the ending diagonal after this breakout from 160 level to 130, it's a straight line fall. There is a one small consolidation and again a fall. Means 140 to 140, at least 160 to 140 are 20 points. Right? You no need to trade daily. 20 into 400. If you have 2 lakh rupees, go for directly. Sell it Ashoka Leyland, and 4,000 is the lot side, and you will going to make 80,000 in just a matter of 5 to 10 days. That is from here. It's a 14th of May, and you are exiting here on 21st of May. And it's a matter of 14th and 21. It's a matter of 7 days, guys. In 7 to 8 days, you are making 80,000. Why to trade daily? Why to trade every day? You try to find out the ending diagonals and ABC at least. Find out the setup and trade according to that. You no need anything, and no need to trade daily. We may fail 1 time, 2 times, or 3 times, but at least a 4th time we will get our target, right? Then what is the use of trading daily in Bank Nifty for 10 to 15 points, or 16 points, or 20 points? Whether we are going to make a money, or we are making the habit of like trading daily. What we need? Money, right? Of course. And that too without involving much. So when you want without an involvement, much involvement, you have to catch it, the most rewarded or most rewardable patterns and trading setups that will reward you. Nothing more than that. And in Nifty also, I might have shown the example also. In Nifty, there was an ending diagonal. In Nifty also, I will show you there is an ending diagonal in C wave. So I will show you this. See, have you seen this? If you're seeing this, you will come to know. This is like ending diagonal. Right, guys? The structure is clear now. At least, like, it is making like a wedge, it is looking like a wedge, right? Or ending diagonal. Once it breaks, that day was a low. So it completely broke the low. And we would have, if we would take the sell from there. So this is our time it took. Let's say 41 bars. And from here, it took how many days? 72, 78 to reach that level. But at least to this level, to reach this level, what is the time it took? This is the time at this bottom, right? Exactly to the bottom. This day. So count the bars. Totally it will took 41 bars if you are counting from here. Or if you're just counting only this high, let's say from here, it's a 32 bars. It come in 27 bars. If you're counting from here also, it is a 41 bars and less than this, not more than that. Right? And you no need to wait very long in here in this ending diagonal. So 41 bars it took from this up to this up, to cover it half. at least to this half or our first target, it reached in 27 bars, and that is in 5 days. Let's take this as an example. From here also, if we are selling at 10,786, we are booking at 10,711. Okay, in the matter of 4 to 5 days. Let's take here to here, 4 to 5 days. How many points? 70 points. 70 points means 70 into 70, it will, at least it will become 5,000 rupees in 5 days, right? And without any, like, you need to see the patterns and trade according to the patterns. It will reward you very quick. What you want to do, like, you need to trade every minute or every move. We no need, right? You just sit back and find out the patterns. If you are very much interested in finding the patterns, go for all the charts daily, analyze it. Whenever there is a pattern, trade it, and you will be rewarded very quickly, guys. So don't want to stay for more time in the market. Just if you are getting any patterns, trade them and stay out of the market. So this is how.
So one question,
Yes.
these patterns we can figure out in any of the charts, like 1 minute.
Yeah, you can. Even in 1 minute, it will work, guys. Even in 1 minute, you can see the ending diagonals, and you might have seen the Cholamandalam also. I have told that this is a script which it is not an ending diagonal. It is not an ending diagonal, but why I traded this? Because a simple concept of, let's say this is a one spike for, this is a one directional low, this is an impulse wave. Let's say this is a one impulse wave. This whole is one impulse wave. After that, there is a correction, and after the one impulse wave, one more impulse wave will come, right?
Yeah.
So this is a very concept I used in this to trade. And once it broke down, so I entered at 1608 is my selling price, actually 1608. Okay, and I booked it exactly at this level, a 1465 or 1475 might be. So this is how, right? You no need to stay in this, like, just avoid this correction part. Trade only impulses. This is an impulse, this is a correction, and trade for impulse. You no need to you no need to keep in stress or be in a stress to this long, up down up down up down. What is this, right? You only trade the impulse waves. That will reward you, and that will make you richer sooner, not the corrective waves. Okay. So this is how actually, this is how the patterns will work, and that is what the ending diagonal and leading diagonal work like. Okay. Any time frame you can trade. There is no issue. There is nothing like you have to trade in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. No, you will trade in any time frame. You will get it. And one more thing might be in Lupin, I think there is an ending diagonal in downside. There is an ending diagonal. I was expecting the price to go very straight. Might be. I will show you if I have any example of ending diagonals. So let me show you one or two example if I have any. This might be ACC, the first target. So this was a actually chart which I was making, the contracting diagonal. So after that, it is a one more diagonal. This is a target one, and this is a target two. Target one, target two. Beautiful, right? See, I will show you if I have any. No, I didn't have, but if I have any, I will show you, like, how exactly the ending diagonals will work. If you find monthly once, guys, believe me, if you find monthly one setup or one script which is making the ending diagonal, it will make you rich. It will make your money double within a matter of time, within a short period of time. Okay, so from now, what is the what is your work? To find the ending diagonal, most ending diagonals, or at least after the after one impulse, trade for second impulse wave. Okay. So this is how the diagonals will work, and we will differentiate what is the leading diagonal and what is the ending diagonal while going for Elliott wave. Okay, this is the end of the session. So I will take a doubt session.